Hey everyone! Diana here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're focusing on something super important for anyone looking to improve their English skills. Enhancing your listening abilities, whether you're dealing with fast speech, different accents, or just trying to follow along in conversations, I've got some fantastic tips to help you become a better listener and communicator in English. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by how quickly native speakers talk or struggled with understanding different accents, don't worry. I've been there too, and I'm here to share some practical strategies to make listening to English a whole lot easier. So, let's dive in and start boosting those listening skills. Tip number 1. Practice listening while reading. Okay, picture this. You're watching a video with subtitles on. You can see the text and hear the words at the same time. It's like a supercharged way to improve your listening skills. When I was learning English, we didn't have YouTube or streaming services, so I used to sing along to Britney Spears with those old CD booklets. It was my way of practicing pronunciation and understanding how words fit together. Nowadays, you have the advantage of modern technology. Try watching videos or shows with subtitles and pay attention to how words are pronounced and connected. This method helps reinforce what you hear with what you read, making it easier for your brain to pick up on the patterns and nuances of spoken English. If the speech is too fast, don't worry. Just slow down the video speed until you're comfortable. Imagine you're watching a dialogue in a movie where the characters speak quickly. By following along with the subtitles, you start to grasp the flow and rhythm of their speech, making it easier for you to understand similar conversations in real life. Tip number 2, engage with music. Music is not just for dancing, it's a powerful tool for language learning. Think about how you used to sing along to your favorite songs. Now, use that same enthusiasm to practice English. When you sing along to artists like Eminem or Taylor Swift, you're not just having fun, you're also training your ears to catch every word and nuance. If you're feeling bold, record yourself singing and share it with friends or on social media with hashtags like #LinguaMarina and #LingoTrip. It's a fun way to get feedback and stay motivated. Imagine you're at a karaoke night, confidently singing your favorite English song. Your practice has paid off, and you're not only enjoying yourself, but also demonstrating how much your listening and pronunciation have improved. Tip number 3, understand sentence blending. Native speakers often blend words together, which can make it sound like they're speaking one long word instead of separate words. This blending is natural, but it can be tricky if you're not used to it. For instance, when someone says, "Do you want to grab a coffee?" it sounds like a single phrase. To get used to this, focus on the key words in the sentence. By picking out important terms like coffee and grab, you can understand the main message even if you don't catch every single word. Let's assume you're at a cafe and someone asks if you want to grab a coffee. Even if they blend the words together, you understand the gist of their question by focusing on the key terms, making the conversation smoother and more enjoyable. Tip number 4, focus on keywords. In spoken English, native speakers often emphasize the most important words while the less critical ones are said quickly or even swallowed. By focusing on keywords, you can get the main idea of a sentence without needing to understand every single detail. For example, if someone says, "We need to discuss the budget for the upcoming project," focusing on discuss, budget, and project helps you grasp the main point of the conversation. For example, during a meeting, you hear terms like urgent and deadline frequently. By focusing on these keywords, you understand the critical aspects of the discussion, even if some filler words or minor details are missed. Tip number 5, learn common filler words. Filler words like, dur, and actually are everywhere in casual conversation. They don't change the meaning of a sentence, but can make understanding a bit tricky if you're not used to them. Knowing when and how these words are used can help you focus on the essential parts of what's being said. For instance, when someone says, "I was totally surprised," is just a filler. Understanding this helps you focus on the main point of the sentence. For example, in a casual chat with friends, you hear used often. By recognizing it as a filler word, you can better understand the conversation without getting distracted by these extra words. Tip number 6, get used to different accents. English is spoken with a wide range of accents around the world. From British to Australian to American, each accent has its unique characteristics. By exposing yourself to different accents, you'll become more comfortable understanding various ways of speaking. Try listening to content from different regions, movies, TV shows, or podcasts. The more you hear, the easier it will become to understand diverse accents and speech patterns. Imagine you're watching a TV show with characters from different English-speaking countries. By familiarizing yourself with these accents, you're better prepared to understand and engage in conversations with people from various backgrounds. Tip number 7, immerse yourself in the language. One of the most effective ways to improve your listening skills is through immersion. Surround yourself with English as much as possible, whether by traveling to an English-speaking country, attending a language school, or engaging with English media. The more you immerse yourself, the more natural understanding English will become. You'll pick up on subtle nuances and improve your overall fluency. For example, if you're studying abroad in an English-speaking country, daily interactions with locals and participation in local activities help you adapt to the language and culture, enhancing your listening skills and overall proficiency. Tip number 8, use technology to your advantage. In our tech-savvy world, you have a plethora of resources at your fingertips. Language learning apps, online courses, and streaming services are excellent tools to enhance your listening skills. Explore apps like Duolingo or Babbel for interactive practice, and watch shows or movies on platforms like Netflix and HBO to get used to different accents and speech styles. For example, you're using a language app to practice your listening skills. With each session, you notice improvements in understanding different accents and speech patterns, making real-life conversations easier to follow. And there you have it! These tips are designed to help you enhance your English listening skills and make your language learning journey smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep engaging with English in various ways. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with friends who are also looking to improve their English. I'd love to hear about your favorite English language movies or shows in the comments below. And if you have any questions or need more tips, just let me know. Stay tuned for more videos, where we'll continue exploring ways to boost your English skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.